Hello, everybody. I hope you all are having a good day. For those that don't know me, my name is James Weeks. I'm the author of the best-selling book, Meditations Across the King's River, African-Inspired Wisdom for Life's Journey. I'm also the producer of the upcoming documentary film, Across the King's River, Finding and Fulfilling Your Life's Purpose. I help people with strategies for emotional wellness, spiritual wellness, and financial wellness. I'm proud to announce that I've recently began a new podcast series for an organization called Black Executive Men. And in that series, I'll be talking to leading Black financial experts who will be sharing tips on how we could position ourselves to create generational wealth and to improve our finances. Um, the Black Executive Men's Community is an organization founded by Jewel Love that promotes the mentorship and that promotes uh, Black men, especially in corporate America, who often don't get the support that they need, who are often undervalued. And so these brothers have a lot to say. So in this series, I'm going to be focusing on personal finance, where I'll be talking to, again, some of these leading experts in personal finance. And I recently began the series with an interview with Maurice Wilson, who's an expert in the stock market. So I've dropped the link to my interview with Maurice Wilson down below. Please check it out. This brother he shares a lot of powerful information about the stock market. In my book, Meditations Across the King's River, in the chapter on on balancing spiritual and financial wellness, I talk about the stock market as well as one of the avenues for wealth creation and how very few of us, not enough of us, take advantage of this. Anyway, in the interview I did with Maurice Wilson, he points out why the stock market is, in his opinion, uh, the greatest, one of the greatest wealth creators of all time. He talks about the benefits about how to invest and investing in the right way, having thinking of it in a long-term way, and he talks about the advantages of also real estate. Sorry, stock market versus other investments like real estate. He talks about why stock market is such a profound, practical, strategic move you can make. He talks about stock market versus going into business, stock market just versus just getting a college degree, right? And he also shares two books that he recommends reading just to become more financially literate. One is called Investing for Dummies. The other is Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits. So again, I've dropped the link down below. Please go and check out this interview. If you found value in what I've shared, please leave a comment down below. We love your comments, and also feel free to leave a comment on the Black Executive Men's on their channel as well. Um, so I intend to keep the conversation on wealth building, financial literacy front and center. Oftentimes, again, in spiritual communities, it's something that people tend to ignore, and it really hurts us. It is not good. It's frankly, it's terrible that we don't pay attention to finances and that so many of us don't think it's important. So again, I'm dropping the link down below. Please, when you have a moment, check out what Brother Maurice Wilson has to say. Feel free to drop a comment here. Feel free to share this with others that could benefit from it. Blessings and thank you.